The process of editing is the same whichever Wix template you choose. Basically, you just click on the element that you want to edit and follow the prompts. So if we start off at the top of the page with our menu, click on the menu and you get some menu editing options. For example, Manage Menu allows you to reorder the menu items. The third tab along is the Layout tab. From here you can, for example, change the alignment of the text or reverse the order of the menu items. The next edit tool along gives you more formatting options. So you can, for example, bounce the menu into view or spin it onto the page. And you can stretch the menu as well. If we now look at the page content, the strip at the top of the page has its own edit menu. So you could drop in an image, change its opacity if you wanted to, and then something which is really important to keep in mind, Wix give you the option to undo any changes you've made and to get you back to where you started. If you click on the body of the page, you will see the edit options for this part of the page. And again, you can add an image or change the layout. And the page footer can also be edited separately. And then to edit the individual elements on the page, again just click on the element that you want to change to reveal its edit menu. So on the heading, for example, I can change the size, the font, the colour and the effects applied to the text. Really, the best advice I can give here is for you to just open up some of these Wix templates and just start clicking around. Add new content, play with the layout and the page background, add in some images, apply some simple animations, and really start to get a feel for how the Wix editing tools work.